On Sunday, 19th October, Maulana Hazir Imam, His Highness the Aga Khan, met with the Muslim Council of Elders to strengthen joint efforts in promoting interfaith harmony, youth empowerment, and the ethical use of artificial intelligence for the good of humanity. Hazir Imam was accompanied by Prince Ali Muhammad Aga Khan, as both leaders joined hands with His Excellency Judge Muhammad Abdul Salam, the Secretary General of the Muslim Council of Elders. During the meeting, Judge Abdul Salam praised the long-standing collaboration between the Muslim Council of Elders and the Aga Khan Development Network, known globally for its tireless work in education, culture, and sustainable development. He highlighted that both institutions share a deep commitment to peace, tolerance, and coexistence, guided by a shared vision to build a more just and united world for all people, regardless of faith or background. In his remarks, Maulana Hazir Imam expressed heartfelt appreciation for the Muslim Council of Elders and its esteemed chairman, His Eminence Professor Dr. Ahmad Al-Tayyab, the Grand Imam of Al-Azhar. Hazir Imam commended their leadership in promoting unity within the Muslim world, encouraging dialogue, and addressing the pressing challenges of our time. He also reflected on his recent meeting with the Grand Imam in September, describing it as an important milestone, a step toward deeper collaboration and mutual understanding between faith communities. At the conclusion of this historic meeting, both sides reaffirmed their commitment to continue working together, to build bridges between faiths and cultures, and to create practical initiatives that promote interfaith harmony and sustainable progress. They also underscored the importance of empowering youth and guiding the ethical use of artificial intelligence, ensuring that technology serves humanity with compassion, fairness, and wisdom. This meeting stands as a powerful reminder that universal human values, peace, respect, and service can unite us all. Together, the Muslim Council of Elders and Maulana Hazir Imam are shaping a world where dialogue replaces division and cooperation builds a bridge between East and West. For the sake of a more peaceful, tolerant, and compassionate world, building bridges, inspiring humanity, creating hope.